The most important decision that you'll ever make isn't about your career or money. It's about who you choose to share your life with. This one choice will shape your happiness more than any other, and yet, we're not taught how to make it. We just stumble into it, and for a decision that big, that's terrifying, because getting it right could be life-altering, but getting it wrong could be too. Choosing your spouse is choosing your reality, because their mood becomes the weather in your home. Research shows that a stable partner is the biggest predictor of well-being. Happy relationships are linked to lower stress and better mental health. But a toxic partner can be worse for your health than being single. The problem is, society has given us the wrong tools that just focus on surface level traits. We're taught to find a prom date and not a life partner. You have to realize that this journey begins with you, and the partners that we choose often reflect our own self-worth. If you don't value yourself, you'll attract partners who won't either. So before you make a list for them, build the qualities that you want in yourself. Create a life you love by yourself. When you operate from a place of wholeness and not neediness, you're free to choose someone you can build with. You have to look past that superficial checklist, because a rigid list just blinds you to what really matters. Instead, search for that feeling of just being at home, where you feel safe and secure, and you can be your unfiltered self. Researchers say that the bedrock of a lasting bond is kindness and emotional stability. A key predictor of success is the 5-to-1 ratio. For every negative interaction, happy couples have 5 or more positive ones. It's not about never fighting, it's about how you fight. Don't look for a person you can have a great Friday night with. Look for a person you can have a tough Tuesday with. See how this person fits into your world. How do they treat others? How do they talk about their own family members? Moments like this are a gold mine of information. Also, you must be aligned in the boring stuff: finances, kids, core values. You don't have to have the same hobbies, but you have to be rowing in the same direction. Finding your person really comes down to 3 things. Number 1, you have to be whole on your own. Number 2, you have to feel at home and unfiltered when you're around this person. And number 3, your core values have to align. It's not about finding a perfect person. It's about finding an imperfect teammate for this game of life. What's the most important quality that you look for in a partner? Let me know down in the comments. And if this video helps you, hit that subscribe button.